Welcome to the Clear Cut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. Today we're going to talk about the best way to pack your jewelry and store your jewelry when traveling. So, of course, this is something that I'm always dealing with whenever I'm traveling. I want to make sure that my jewelry is safe, secure, and doesn't get damaged along the way. We have our Midnight Luxe Traveler, which is black with this amazing 22K gold embossment. We have our baby blue. I love this one. It's such a beautiful color with the silver hardware. And our original blush colored Luxe Traveler, again with the 22K yellow gold. These were perfectly designed to fit and store all of your jewelry when traveling. So they have all the different compartments, necklaces, studs, bigger bracelets and hoops, and for your rings. So how you want to pack your jewelry is make sure that everything is separated individually. So when you have these longer, daintier necklaces, if you don't want to string them in the necklace area, you want to make sure that you are putting them all in these plastic baggies. These are lifesavers. You can get these on Amazon or Uline. These are going to be perfect for separating and storing your jewelry safely. So this is for anything that goes in the zippered compartment. You want to put your necklace in the baggie and always leave the clasp out so it doesn't get tangled in the bag. So that keeps it nice and safe, secure, and not tangled. That's for everything you're going to put in your zipper compartment. For bigger necklaces, like your tennis necklaces, Riviera, anything with like a chunkier gold chain, I like to just put in our necklace area here. This area makes sure that your necklaces do not get tangled. So you just snap it in on one end and snap the other one in, and they just sit perfectly and they don't get tangled. You could basically do like one in each, sometimes two if it's like a larger necklace, but if it's more than that, then go to the baggie method. For your larger hoop earrings, I also like to put them in the baggies in the zipper compartments. For earrings, make sure that each one gets its own individual bag. So you don't want them to rub against each other. They can get damaged, your diamonds can come loose, the metal can get scratched. And I like to put the pairs together. So I'll put one bag in another so the earrings are separated. They're not going to rub up against each other, but I know the pair is together. And I'll usually separate the compartments based on categories. So like this will be my earrings and bracelets, and this will be like my necklaces and other things. Again, same thing for the bracelets. I like to put them in the zipper plastic bags in their own compartment, safe and secure. Next are studs. So this is the perfect area to keep all of your studs so you see them all, they're separated, they're safe. We also put little fun sayings on the back of all of them. This one says "Bling It On," and each of the different colors have their own saying as well. I love these because you can see all of your earrings and what you have out. You can do these with smaller hoops too. I like to hang the smaller hoops off the bottom and then maybe do the studs at the top. So all you do is you take your backs off your earrings and you push them through the individual holes. You have your studs, the backs are back here so they're not pushing into anything or being sharp, and then you can just buckle it up right there. For rings, this is a really awesome ring holder. This can come off all the way, so you can put your rings on and just slide them on here, and then you can snap it back into place. Keep all your jewelry safe, secure in a really thin, soft, genuine leather pouch. This can fit into any purse, any backpack. Make sure you keep your jewelry in your carry-on when you're traveling with it. Never put your jewelry in your check bag because, you know, in case you lose it or anything, you want it close to you for sure. Another great way to travel and store your rings, keeping them safe, are with our bandits. These are amazing not only when you're traveling, but when you're doing any sort of activity like cooking, working out, anything where you don't want to put pressure on your rings and damage them. These are cute little wristbands. I wear mine all the time whenever I'm working out. You basically slip them on. They have this secret zippered compartment, and this is where it has a little clear cut C, and you can put your engagement ring in here when you are working out. Don't let me catch any of you girls at Pilates class wearing your engagement rings because I'm going to come and yell at you because no matter how thick your ring is, it's made out of fine metal, and the more pressure you put on it, it will bend over time. So make sure whenever traveling to use our Luxe Traveler. Get these life-saving baggies, Amazon, Uline, they're just great. And the bandits are perfect for every single day. And also, if you're going to the airport, you don't want to be wearing your ring, you don't want to put it in your bag either, you just want it on you nice and close. Put on a bandit. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and class is dismissed.